what? Big monkey!
Read the monkey! Watch it!
Ready?
Oh wait, you have to be jealous. Can you hear it now? Let the cat go. That one.
Instead of the B, you can go to a B flat.
It's giving really sharp.
Do you mean Doctor Who?
It's giving
I was
alien.
going to say, it's very Doctor Who vibes with it.
And again, we want to try and create a balance.
That amazing. No clue. I'm actually really impressed. You made that just off the hook.